Here's a 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, street rod with a patina look to it. This style and look of truck been popular for the last few years now. Nice drivetrain. This is actually a good setup. What's underneath the hood? 350 Chevrolet V8 underneath there. That's actually paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. So you got an automatic with overdrive. Nice 350 reliable transplant put underneath the hood. And then of course some nice equipment too. Power steering, power brakes. You got disc brakes up front. It's actually riding on an S10 platform, so more of a reliable, little later model drivetrain than a 53. So it's got that old school look with the patina, but a more modern drivetrain. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, interior's finished off kind of cool, looks nice under the hood. Check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on that, that'll take you right there. You can call us too if you have any questions, 507-386-1726. We've had this truck out and driven it and taken down the road, so sure answer any questions you may have. It's kind of one of those, the gentleman that built this and had it made for himself that ended up deciding to part with it, was always gonna take it to the next level and paint it, but the more he looked at it, the more he started to like it. And like I said, these have become popular. A lot of his buddies said, don't, just leave it the way it is. It's just too cool, the truck, the way it sits. So he did some nice chrome and bright work on it, freshened that up, and then left the rest of the body in kind of that aged form. But yeah, you can cruise right down the road with it. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this truck delivered to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the bed. Has a tank underneath in the back. Relocated a tank to the back. That's the fill cap on it. Kind of did a burnt pine look to it back here. So it kind of matches the rest of the look of the truck. Now, riding on Riddler wheels. Rubber is good on this truck. It's ready to go. Turn the key and fire up. Side exiting exhaust. Yeah, let's go ahead and check this interior out. I know it's got a tilt column in here. Has been carpeted. Door panel, so it's kind of finished off cool. On the inside, we got this kind of two-tone black and saddle look. Obviously, you have seat belts in this one. Again, tilt column. Newer set of gauges. I believe those are Dolphin. Yeah, Dolphin gauges. Other than that, stock-looking dash. Kind of that colored headliner and that saddle color to kind of match, tie in with the seat and the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Easily it starts. It's had about 2,600 miles on it since it was built. See, here's the gauges are working. Fuel gauge went up. Rolled soil pressure, all looking good. Little custom-made center console with cup holders. Stall shifter knob. Door closes nicely, actually fits pretty nice too. Nice little rumble coming out of that side exhaust. Great year, 53 for the Chevy 3100 also. There you can see is your disc brakes up front, and again power brakes and powered steering. I'm going to go ahead and pause this so I can pop that hood and let's check out that engine bay. Alright, still looks kind of old school underneath here until voila. There's your 350 Chevy V8. It's like HEI ignition back there. The power steering, booster will be relocated underneath the driver's floor, I believe. Place in there. Aluminum radiator. Engine dressed up nicely. Kind of a cool ride. So you're looking for something with that old school look, but a nice modern drivetrain and can take her down the road, have a little fun with it. Nice reliable vehicle. Here it is, 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and this listing. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with the transportation, getting this to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you.